So over here you can see that I have this Jotboard homepage opened up, and I'm using a Chromium based browser, a Google Chrome browser right here. So now if you're using Chromium based browser and you have Jotboard open, what you can actually do is click and drag a Jotboard that you have, move it onto the left hand side, and then you can see that Create Split View actually opens up. This is a browser feature, but you can see that you can directly go ahead and drag out this board right here. So once you go ahead and let go, over here you can see the board right here just like this. So you got the access right here to the main homepage and the Jotboard just like this. You can simply go ahead and close this view right here as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You got the example folder as well. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and drag and drop that as well to view two folders right here just like this. And that is how you can actually go ahead and then drag and drop out a folder or a Jotboard right here in Chromium based browser to open up Split View and view your content. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.